Hello and welcome to A Minute Plus Financial Hacks. If you want to make it as a seasoned Forex trader, avoid making these mistakes. The earlier you do, the better. Never trade without a stop loss. All your trades must have an entry point, take profit position, and, more importantly, a well-calculated stop-loss position. Have a trading plan that you religiously follow. This will help you to overcome greed and fear of missing out, which leads to overtrading, which is the most straightforward recipe to blowing your account. Choose the correct lot size as per your equity or deposit. As it is said, cut the coat according to your size. There is always the temptation of small account holders to want to grow rich overnight. No, learn to value your money no matter how small it may be. If you have no value for small amounts of money or do not know how to manage it well, then you are not a candidate for wealth. Look for something else to do. Always remember, Forex trading is not gambling. It is a skill that can be acquired and polished over time into mastery levels. All you need is commitment and growing through the ups and downs of it. That's it for today. Make sure to tune in for more. Please leave your comments below, like, share and subscribe to support the growth of our channel. See you soon.